Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to download CapCut and create a CapCut account on your iPhone. So if you're setting up CapCut for the first time, then just follow along. First, open App Store on your iPhone, then tap the search bar and type CapCut. Then select the official CapCut app and then tap install and wait for it to download and install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. And the first time you open CapCut, you may be asked to allow permission for your photos, videos, microphones, and notifications. Grant the permissions you want so you can edit and export videos properly. Next, tap Sign in or Log in. CapCut lets you create an account using several methods, including your Apple ID, Google account, TikTok account, Facebook account, or an email address, depending on what's available in your region. Then choose your preferred sign-in method and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the registration process. And once you're signed in, your account will be ready to use, and you'll be able to create new projects, access templates, save your work to the cloud if available, and sync your projects across supported devices. And to start editing, tap New Project and select the photos or videos you want to use and begin adding text, music, transaction, effects, and other editing tools. So that was how to download CapCut and create a CapCut account on your iPhone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.